Nellie the elephant packed her trunk and trundled back to the jungle. Off she went with a trumpety trunk, 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 trunk. The head of the herd was calling from far, far away. They met one night in the silver light on the road to Mandalay. So Nellie the elephant packed her trunk and said goodbye to the circus. Off she went with a trumpety trunk, trump, trump, trump.
It was a bad night at the theatre. Everything, absolutely everything was going wrong. Mr. Tippett, the manager, introduced the first act.
Ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present a matey, a Max, the strongest man in the world. Before your very eyes, Max will lift a weight of 1,000 pounds, hold it high above his head, and recite 3 verses of a well-known poem.
The boy stood on the burning deck. His feet were hot as coals. He never took his shoes off because his socks were full of holes.
Get off! Get off!
I want my money back.
And now, attempting the most dangerous juggling act ever, I give you the great Geraldo. With one hand behind his back, he will hold up his trousers. And with the other, he will juggle 7 fresh, mind you, eggs. Rubbish!
I still want my money back.
Mr. Tippett was very worried.
I'm very worried. This show is a disaster. The audience hates it. We must find a act they like, or I'll have to close the theatre and we'll all be out of work.
It's Nellie. You know, the elephant who escaped from the circus? Oh, please don't turn me in. If the ringmaster catches me, he'll take me back to the circus where I did all those tricks to make people laugh and clap their hands and cheer.
Tricks? Clap their hands and cheer? Oh, if only we could make those people out there clap and cheer. Anyway, you're welcome to stay in our theatre until the danger's past, Nellie.
I know. Would you like me to entertain your audience?
Oh, yes, please, Nellie. It's start time, folks! And Nellie, the elephant, has interrupted our worldwide tour just to be with us tonight!
The audience loved it. They cheered and cheered.
Worth every penny.
Backstage, everyone gathered around Nellie, thanked her for a wonderful performance and asked for her autograph. And then, surrounded by her new friends and thrilled by the evening's events, Nellie heard that familiar sound. It came, as always, floating on the breeze and drifting in the wind. The head of the herd was calling from far, far away. Nellie knew it was time to go. She slipped out the stage door. Then, under the light of a full moon, she set out on the long road back to the jungle.
Nellie the elephant packed her trunk and trundled back to the jungle. Off she went with a trumpety trump, 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 trump. The head of the herd was calling from far, far away. They met one night in the silver light on the road to Mandalay. So Nellie the elephant packed her trunk and said goodbye to the circus. Off she went with a trumpety trump, 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 trump.